Hello, how are you today? Now we talk about 3D Nirmana Space Session 13 with me, Miss Elida from Visual Communication Design, Nusa Putra University. Okay, for now, in the last session, we will talk about how to learn Nirmana three dimension, and then how the for the character, and then for the anything about Nirmana three dimension is very important in how to daily use. Now, okay, for the basic, we know about the rule of Nirmana. Nirmana is very important. The rule is how to organize and arrange the basic elements of design into harmonies and balanced composition. Nirmana is the organization arrangement visual element. So this is very important when you're learning and visual communication design. From basic, you must know about Nirmana. Nirmana two dimension or and Nirmana three dimension. And this suggests like point, line, plane, color, space, dark, light, texture. This very important harmonious work. And Nirmana can be also interpreted as the result of full thinking in two dimension and three dimension. The function of Nirmana, the function of two-dimension Nirmana include training aesthetic. This very sensitive managing visual elements such as color, shape, and light. And there are various consideration and managing composition rhythm. Unity on the plate long so that becomes harmonious. And then the three dimension is very concept of length, weight, height, and thickness, space, and volume. The function of three-dimensional mana is the same as two-dimension, which is trained aesthetic, sensitive, and trained creativity process three-dimensional element. The difference of two dimensions is that work of three-dimensional mana can be seen from various perspective and the concept visual like name and leaf, like point line, plane shape, and color textures you can combination in your design. Okay, the next we will talk about shape and gradation nirvana. This awareness of the field takes into account the regularity and shape and gradation of the basic primary color and part of the harmony. And then the symmetrical balance Nirmana. What do you think about this? This appreciation of size, direction, color, and motion with the principle is symmetry balance. If not symmetry, there's asymmetrical balance, such as like from the small, middle, until high. You can combination for the shape and the in the nirvana, but size and color direction. Next, the combination construction nirvana. Construction of the combination of line and plane elements where ambition, balance, order, unity, and confusion. So when you see in this example about nirvana, how to combination you can make move like anything like horizontal, vertical, or diagonal, or anything you can how to make this very beautiful design. Motion rhythm nirvana. This is three-dimensional nirvana design has a rhythm with alternative mode form with creative composition. Thank you for your attention. I hope you can more exploration about Nirmana three dimension. Come on, I trust you can be creative, you can be innovative with anything idea. You can idea from the nature, from your hobby, anything can get your inspiration from Nirmana three-dimensional. Thank you for your attention. See you again in the next session. Bye bye.